Welcome back to the channel. Today we gotta make witch hat cookies for Halloween. This is everything you need. Birthday toy, Halloween Oreo, Hershey Kiss, frosting sauce, mango and frosting, beads.
So as she said, we are going to make witch hat cookies. Jackson didn't want to help us for some reason, so it's just Alice and I today. But this is super easy and they're super cute. This would make a great snack for a Halloween party, either at school or with friends, or just as a fun little treat. So we're not gonna make a ton because I don't think you need to eat an entire package of Oreos, huh? We didn't get Oreos. We got the Target brand birthday cake Oreo off-brand. So we'll go ahead.
I already showed you that.
She did show you that already. Go ahead and pick out a few. She's gonna pick out a few of those and put them on our tray. I'm going to put some of the orange frosting into this, the frosting, what do you call this? It's
the frosting sauce.
It's drawing a blank in my mind. So line those up.
But I'm gonna go out to the playground.
They're going out to the playground?
There's not enough room.
There's not.
No, but I moved those.
Okay.
Ooh, that looked like a peach towel.
It does look peach. It's not very orange, huh?
Well, let me see.
I think it'll work.
The inside. Ooh.
We've got our frosting ready. We're gonna open up our sprinkles. These sprinkles are large, like bead looking. It says jumbo, because this is gonna be the little buckle on the witch hat. You could also use chocolate, like the colored melting chocolate, candy chocolate, and break off little pieces. I just thought these would be cute. I'm gonna pour some of those in there. We won't need that many.
That is like a bowl.
And then let's get our Hershey Kisses out, and this is gonna be the top of the witch hat. How many Oreos do you have out?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So how many Hershey Kisses do we need?
7.
7.
And 7 beads. Let me count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, try again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
Let me.
You have 8 cookies though. Goofball. Okay, so let's go ahead and unwrap these.
You need to wash your hands after this.
Yep. So you're gonna take your frosting. Do you remember how to use this?
And then just do this.
So you're gonna push it down until the frosting comes out. I'm gonna make a big circle right here. Like that.
Ooh.
Now push the Hershey Kiss down. Push the Hershey Kiss down on it.
That's kind of why Hershey Kiss.
Yep, push it down. See how that squirts out? And then pick a color and put it where the buckle would be.
Ah! No.
Put it right in the frosting. Good deal. So there's your hat. So one's done. Now go ahead and you put some frosting on there. Good. Now why don't you pick an orange or a green one? That blue one didn't show up very well, or purple. Stick it right in the frosting. Perfect! Yeah.
Can I eat this one?
No, it goes on that last cookie.
I ripped it off. Get frosting yummy.
Would you forgive me? Would you forgive me? Would you forgive me? Would you forgive me, love? Would you forgive me?
Are you ready to try one? You are? All right, go ahead and try it.
the hot candy.
Yeah, they're hard candies. Is it yummy though? Yeah? And what do you have to drink to go with those?
Milk.
Milk. Yeah? Did you make those? Was it hard or was it easy? Easy. Do you think other kids could make those with the help of a parent? Good deal. What do you want to tell everyone for watching?
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out all the other videos. You guys can play with down below. Hit the like mark down there. Bye!
This is a collaboration with the YouTube Mommy Meetup group on Facebook. And so make sure you check out all the links down in the playlist below to see other fun, friendly snacks for Halloween.